That's humming noise. My God. So we're going to replace, we're going to remove the filament from the nozzle. Put it to 200 and low airflow. And then watch the job burn itself, obviously. And the cables. Then what we're going to do is we're going to heat up the top. Should be 90. Over see it's coming out a little bit. It's like pushing itself, see? And what you can do is you can grab the pliers, heat it up a little bit more, and then just slightly pull on it. You should be able to get it out like this. Heat up a little bit more. Feel it. Let it go down a little bit. It's going to be stuck down the nozzle. So make sure you heat it up evenly. It's a little bit unheavy because of the cables. Once it's all heated, the last bit of pop out. Okay. The last bit will look like that because that's me sitting in the bottom of the nozzle. The nozzle should be completely clean, and then if you want, what you can do is turn it around, clean up the top with some isopropyl, and then shove in the cleaner for the nozzle, and then let it cool down and reassemble it.